to do. We need to be very aggressive in reaching out to younger people and trying to attract them to business aviation. Some people will go to Embry-Riddle University, and from the day they walk through the door, one major airline or another has got their number and said, "Come work for us. There's some kind of arrangement they already have with this person. We'll get you in." Mm-hmm. And we need to be equally aggressive. And to our discussion from a few moments ago, we need to establish some kind of consolidated front that we use to project what business aviation is to younger people, to get into the high schools, to get into the middle schools, to get into the vocational schools, and say, here's a career path you can pursue. And hey, in the past, it may not have been the best ROI for your spending dollar, but now it is. And mm-hmm. you can make back what it might have cost you to go through flight school with more quickly. And additionally, we need to have some sort of like consolidated training venue where we're willing, like the armed services do and like the airlines have done, so we can bring people in through the door and mm-hmm. get them trained and get them out there. The other piece of this puzzle, and it's when we talk about pilots and the amount of money pilots are making, the thing that's in the background, and I know you've written on it, that's a kind of a corollary to this, is we're in a pilot shortage, but we're also in a mechanic shortage.
Yeah,
and that's can break the industry as quickly as the pilot shortage can. And I think if we're going to address pilots as we should, we also need to be looking at mechanics, mm-hmm. technicians who will find I think technicians like business aviation better because they've got more independence. They can troubleshoot things. They're not so locked into a single job function as they are in the airlines. And you don't see a mass exodus of technicians from business aviation to the airlines. You see some, but the majority of them just go from operator to operator.